Hi there. Welcome to VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management, DEM. A centralized solution enabling law enforcement agencies to store, manage, share, and analyze ever-increasing digital evidence collected from documents, images, bodycam, dashcams, CCTV and drones. Evidence submission is the core functionality of digital evidence management systems. Digital documents, emails, CCTV footages, video recordings, are examples of information that can be collected through electronic devices and can be used effectively as evidence in a case. This digitally stored information is sensitive and can be lost easily if not preserved well. Therefore, to save it and store it into the right repository is mandatory. VIDIZMO's digital evidence management system caters to all these requirements through its robust Submit Evidence functionality, where all sorts of digital evidence can be submitted easily. In this video we will be taking a look at submitting an evidence in a case. Before you start, please make sure you log into your portal as an administrator, manager or moderator to submit an evidence in a case. From the home screen or My Cases section, open the case, where the evidence submission is required, by clicking on the case. The case details page will be opened, where you would be able to view uploaded evidence of the case if you have uploaded any previously. Click on Upload Evidence and a new screen will appear. Navigate to the folder, where evidence is stored, in your device and select the evidence to be uploaded. VIDIZMO DEM also allows you to submit bulk evidence at the same time. Once the evidence has been selected, the upload progress of the evidence can be seen through the evidence upload tray and the evidence would be seen in the case. You can apply settings to the evidence as per your needs. Click on the overflow menu of the evidence and select Settings. From the Basic Settings tab, you can add title for your evidence, select a category and assign tags. The VIDIZMO artificial intelligence also automatically detects tags from evidence by analyzing its content. You can add a brief description, select a thumbnail and add the author's name. From the Publish tab, you can choose a player template, allow viewers to share and download evidence, write comments, view evidence insights and can also enable 360 view for evidence, if your evidence has been recorded at a 360-degree angle. The Access tab allows you to choose who can access your evidence, such as all portal viewers, or anonymous viewers. You can also password protect your evidence to prevent unauthorized access. You can increase your evidence's visibility and make it easier to search by assigning custom attributes to it. From the Time Data tab, you can set captions for videos and audio evidence, in the language you prefer. The artificial intelligence generates captions automatically, or you can also choose to upload a transcription. The Sharing tab allows limited sharing for evidence. You can make the evidence available for a specific time period and can share it with specific viewers, groups and with external viewers by sending them a link to the evidence. You can also limit the number of views per viewer by defining how many times a viewer can play back the evidence. Additionally, VIDIZMO DEM lets you replace a published evidence, without changing the file's original name or the link, through the Re-upload function. Select the evidence you want to re-upload and click on Re-upload from the drop-down menu. Drag and drop the evidence you want to re-upload from your device. The settings selected for the original evidence will be retained on the new evidence. You can re-edit the settings as per your feasibility. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management. Stay tuned until next time.